Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can craft javelins in Icarus. Now over on your tech tree, you can find the recipes for bone spears or the wood spears. Now if you try to unlock either the wood spear or the bone spear, you can then unlock the recipes for the bone and wood javelins. Over at the crafting menu, right now I can make some bone javelins with the use of 10 pieces of wood, 4 pieces of leather, and 40 pieces of bone. But for a cheaper option, I'm just gonna go for wood javelins right here. If you're trying to craft one, you get 5 pieces of it. So I'm going to press at least 2 of them. And I should have some 10 wooden javelins right here. If I hold down left click, I can then aim the wood javelin and then just throw it. Now let me just find something that I can target. Okay, let me try to get this. And there we go. Pretty much got it by one hit. And that's pretty much about it on how to craft javelins in Icarus.